What is up, guys? It's your boy Joseph Hugo here at Hugo Core Motorcycles, and welcome to today's video. So I got a special video for you guys today. I made a video not too long ago about some things I didn't like about my Honda Shadow Phantom, and my buddy that I ride with, he said, you know, he's got his bike. You've seen the video of it. If you haven't seen it, it's gonna be you'll see it here at the end. There'll be a video for it. You can check it out. He rides a 2020 Honda Fury. A 2020 Honda Fury. We both ride Honda, so I just mess up the name sometimes. But yeah, so he rides a Fury. He kind of wants to talk about some things that he wish was better for his bike and things like that. So without further ado, I'm gonna let him talk. I'm gonna let him talk about it. Let's get into it. What's going on, bro?
Hey, what's going on, brother?
What's going on, man? So yeah, man. We had did a video on my bike, and he was my cameraman, in case y'all didn't know, because he rides with me all the time. So yeah, man, just tell me, like, so this is your 1 year anniversary with this bike, right?
Yeah, 1 year actually this week, as a matter of fact.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
how many miles I got on it?
A little over 4,000 miles.
A little over 4,000 miles. Okay,
Yeah,
so
a little over 4,000.
okay.
Trying
So
to get the ride in.
oh yeah, indeed. So what are so far with 1 year anniversary and those mileage, man? For your Fury, what are some things that you kind of like wish was better or would change, you know, if like knowing what you know now, you know what I'm saying? You've ridden it for a year. What would you change knowing what you know now?
Well, I mean, there's a couple of things, you know, that
Okay.
I kind of disliked about it.
Okay.
But unfortunately, some of that can be changed. One of the things, first and foremost, was the height and the pullback of the stock handlebars.
Okay.
They had me leaning over a little bit.
Okay.
You know, and obviously I'm about 6 feet. I got long arms, so I still had to lean over. So that was one thing I disliked. But I fixed that by I added a Canella 3-inch Canella risers.
Oh, okay. So you got some risers on there.
Yeah, I put the risers on there, and
They gave you said 3-inch?
it's a total of 3-inch risers. That's what they classify it as. But
Okay.
it gives you about 1.5 inches up and 1 inch pull back towards you.
Okay.
So it's actually made it a lot better. It's a lot more comfortable now. So
Okay.
I will say that it was the length of the steering wheel
Okay.
or the handlebars. I'm sorry, I'm driving. Another thing that I didn't like, and most people don't,
Yeah.
is the sound of the stock exhaust.
Okay.
And you know, this being a Honda,
Yeah.
you know, they like to quiet things down. So
Yeah.
didn't like the stock exhaust sound. You could barely hear. You couldn't even hear your bike, which is great for smoothness. But
Right.
so I added some 3-inch Cobra slip-ons and changed all of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
What with the
so-
Cobra slip-ons?
Yeah, I put those Cobra slip-ons on there, and it sounds a lot better now.
Okay, well, we'll have you started up at here pretty soon. So, okay.
And another thing that I dislike about the Honda Fury,
Yeah.
and any Fury rider's probably going to agree,
Okay.
when you get up to speed, get the RPMs up
Yeah.
on the highway,
Yeah.
and you know, you're doing 75, 80,
Yeah.
I'm looking for another gear.
Oh,
I wish there was a sixth gear
okay.
to throw into, you know, and take off. But
Okay, so you're saying like the shift pattern is like short, kind of.
yeah, I wish we had another gear,
Okay.
basically.
Okay.
And then, other than that, man, the only other dislikes I had
Uh-huh.
is, you know, I don't know. I'm trying to think, what else did I dislike about my bike?
She's beautiful, I'll tell you that right now.
Oh, well, of course, I disliked having, which I still have, my signal lights and all that aren't LED. The
Oh.
headlights come
okay.
with the old, what is it, the old halogen bulbs or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and as well as these, so
So the brightness for when you're turning and stuff.
yeah, and even at night,
Signaling and stuff. Okay.
at night that kind of yellowish tinted halogen stock bulb.
Yeah.
But I did replace that with an LED light.
Oh, okay. So you replaced this one with the LED, yeah?
Yeah, I replaced that, but not the signals.
Okay, I got you. Okay, so illumination on the blinkers and stuff. Okay, I got you. All right. So that's not too bad, man. I mean, that's not too bad.
Other than that, it's a great bike.
Okay.
it's my first bike.
Okay.
So I don't want, you know, if one of your viewers out there trying to get a bike, I don't want to discourage them on the size of the bike or anything, but
right.
This is a fairly cool bike, and that's probably the only things I dislike about it, which that was in the past.
Yeah.
Because I replaced that stuff, so
yeah.
Now there's not much that I dislike about it at all right now. So
gotcha. Okay. Well, hey, I'm sure they want to hear the Cobra. Can you turn the Cobra exhaust on, bro? Can we hear it?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, bet.
Let me move that.
Yep. Ooh. Oh, that sounds great.
Good catch.
All right, well, I appreciate it, man. Thanks for hopping on here, man, and talking about your bike as well.
I appreciate it, brother.
Hey, no problem, man. I mean, hey, we ride together, man, so you know how it goes. So, yeah, I just wanted to kind of hear your opinion. I wanted them to hear your opinion, you know? I mean, you talk a lot about this type of stuff, and it's good to get the information out there, I feel like, you know?
Yeah.
So,
it's an awesome bike.
thanks, man. All right, cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. I definitely appreciate it. We've been getting a lot of support in the videos. Thank you guys so much. Just like and comment. I love you guys leaving your guys' comments and your guys' opinions on you know, the bike videos that I've been doing. Just like, comment, and subscribe, man. So the more subscribers we have, the more we can do. I want to do some test drive videos in the future where I just go to the dealership and I hop on a bike, and whatever bike you guys want to see, you know, I'll go and hop on it at the dealership, and we'll take it for a ride, and I'll come out and make a video for you guys so you guys can you know, can kind of get your perspective on it and hear what I think about it before you go and buy one. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Peace.